The 5-year-old thornless blackberry root. It looks pretty fucking healthy. It died back this winter because it got to 23 below zero. I'm gonna take the opportunity to transplant it. So it'll be in a spot that it won't cause a lot of shade. Right here, I get a lot of shade into this main crop garden here from it, because it's a monster. You can see how thick the branches or the shoots are. I've had them even thicker than that. I don't know how long they live. I've got sisters, our daughters. The daughter there died back too. I'll transplant that. And our daughters all along the line here. There was a daughter here that I already transplanted. So I'm going to move this one to the back. Way back there where you see some soil worked up. I dug a gooseberry out of there. Stick it on the north side of the garden. That way the south sun won't be shaded.